Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to an external hard drive. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your external hard drive or USB drive is compatible with your iPhone. If your iPhone has a USB-C port, you'll need a USB-C drive or a compatible adapter. Next, connect the external drive to your iPhone. If prompted, tap Allow to grant access to the accessory. Then, swipe down on the home screen, search for Files, and open the Files app. Under Locations, you should see your external drive listed. If it doesn't appear, the drive may not be formatted correctly. Now, open the Photos app and tap Select. Choose the photos and videos you want to transfer, then tap the Share button. Scroll down and select Save to Files. Navigate back to the location screen, choose your external drive, and tap Save. Wait for the transfer to finish, then open the Files app to confirm your photos and videos were copied successfully. Once you've verified the files are on the drive, simply disconnect the external drive from your iPhone, as there's no need to manually eject it. So that's basically how you can transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to an external hard drive. That's it for this video. Thanks!